Our Swiss roll cake recipe requires just 4 everyday ingredients: caster sugar, plain flour, eggs, and jam. You will need a little vegetable oil for greasing, 125 g golden caster sugar plus extra to dust, 125 g plain flour plus extra to dust, 3 large eggs, jar of strawberry or raspberry jam. Lightly brush the base of a 33x 23 cm Swiss roll tin with vegetable oil. Cut a sheet of greaseproof paper to fit the base of the tin exactly. Brush the paper with a little more oil, then dust with caster sugar and flour. Preheat the oven to 200°C/Fan 180°C/Gas 6. Put the sugar and eggs into a large bowl that's resting on a tea towel and whisk with an electric hand whisk for 10 minutes until pale and thick enough for the mixture to leave a trail when the whisk is lifted. Sift half the flour into the mixture and fold in very carefully until no traces of flour are left. Repeat with the remaining flour. It's important to take your time and do it gently. Fold in 1 tablespoon lukewarm water. Pour the mixture into the prepared tin and use a spatula to smooth it evenly into the corners. Bake in the center of the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until golden and risen and just firm to the touch. Meanwhile, put the jam in a bowl and stir well to loosen. Lay out a damp, clean cloth on the work surface. Lay a piece of greaseproof paper that is larger than the sponge on top. Dust the greaseproof paper with caster sugar. Run a knife around the edge of the warm sponge and turn out onto the sugar-dusted paper. Peel the paper off the base of the sponge. Trim off the edges of the sponge. Spoon the jam onto the sponge and spread out, leaving a little border of clean sponge all around. Make an incision about 1 cm in from the short edge near you, being careful not to cut through the cake. This makes it easier to roll up. Start rolling, using the incision to help you make the first turn. Use the paper to help you roll the sponge tightly. Sit it seam side down until cold. Serves 8 to 10.